Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add website or page to bookmarks in Google Chrome. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Bookmarking a web page will allow you to to pin sites and specific page to make them easier to find the next time you need to access them. So how to do it if you want to add website or page to bookmark in Google Chrome? It's very simple. First of all, of course, we have to open our Google Chrome, and from here you can just search on the website that you want to add to your bookmark. For example, I will add Netflix to my bookmark. So now you can open the Netflix. After that, you can select on the three dots over here on the up right corner. You can hover your cursor to bookmark in this. Now you'll find there is an option bookmark this tab. You can select on that. You can add the bookmark name and also where you want to save the bookmark. You maybe want to save to new folder or bookmarks bar or others bookmarks or mobile bookmarks. For example, I will just choose on other bookmarks. Done. And now if you want to see your bookmarks, you can select on the three dots over here, select on bookmark and list. You can show bookmark in the side panel. So here's all your bookmarks on your Google Chrome. It's very simple, right? So if you want to access the websites or page, you can just open the bookmark and open it. Select on the website. It's very simple, right? So that is how to add website or page to your bookmarks in Google Chrome. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.